everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a restocking video for my slime shop. My slime shop is called Slime by Jacklyne. This is my first ever slime restock on my Shopify website actually. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Help me get to 900,000 on this channel. I would love to hit that literally so soon. Subscribe down below, turn the bell on, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below your favorite slime from this restock. Also, I'm currently having a slime giveaway on my Slime by Jacklyne Instagram where you have to follow Nichole and Slime by Jacklyne and be subscribed to this main channel. It ends in 1 week. It's international and you should go enter. I will have the post down below for you guys, but let's hop right into this video. I'm so pumped for it. I will have my Shopify link down below for all the slimes, but yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, this first slime is one of my favorites ever. It's my very first Java chip, my second one actually, but one of my first ever Java chip slimes. This has a brownie scent to the mix. The intention is to call it like mint, brownie, batter, like that kind of situation. There is no mint scent, but the green the green chunks do represent a mint, so I'm calling it a mint chocolate chip brownie. If you have any names down below, comment down below. The base of this is incredibly thick. It's so glossy, minorly jiggly, but it's just such a nice slime. The scent of it is so good. The texture of this is just amazing. Also, all of my slimes are going to be overactivated because it is so hot outside that when they do travel in the mail, I want them to arrive totally together still and not completely melted. So if they do appear stiff in this video, it's because I have them overactivated to just prepare for shipping and such. But yeah, guys, this one is also down below in my slime shop. My slime shop is restocked right now. I will have the link down below for you guys. Okay, this next slime is intended to be a 4th of July themed slime. So of course I have the red, white, and blue mini flown beads. I have just a nice like cereal milk situation kind of slime. The base is really nice, very glossy, very like mirror gloss. It's so beautiful. And the scent of this is a candy corn scent. So it's kind of like 4th of July popcorn, 4th of July celebration. I'm trying to find like, an idea that I could use this candy corn scent. It smells so good and super sweet. It's a very basic cereal slime. However, it is very nice and holdable. And this is probably the one that I think will melt the most in the mail. But I do include borax in my bags. And I also have extras and squishies and candy that I include in my orders. If you do order more than 3 slimes, I do include a bunch of extras. So if you want to purchase all these slimes from this video, you get extras. So I will have my link down below to my slime shop, and I do have this in an 8 ounce. I only have like 14 of this one, so if you want this slime, the link is down below. Get it while you can because it is so nice. Okay, this next slime is a cotton candy cloud dough. Now this is probably one of my favorite slimes I've ever made. If I should do a video where I reveal how I make my cloud dough slimes, comment down below. I have a very special way I do it. It's kind of like a wrong way to make cloud slime, but it makes the most amazing cloud dough. This is scented like cotton candy. It's a very strong scent, but it smells so good and so sweet. The base is very soft. I use a lot of like lotion and like just softening agents with the slime. It's super nice and super good. Yeah, this is very amazing. I love this slime. It is a little bit stiff. I do have my AC on. I did have it over borax, so it would arrive to you guys just fine. But if I can vouch for you guys to buy any of these slimes, it's to buy this slime. I only have about like 20 of this slime because all I made this week, I guess. But I will have more of this if you guys want me to make more in next restocks. Comment down below a fun name for this slime. It's a cotton candy scent. As you know, it's super nice. Comment down below your ideas. And yeah, my link is down below for my site. If you didn't know that already, you definitely do. But go buy right now. If you guys are hearing this message right now, go, if you guys do purchase a slime from me, and comment that you came from this video, and I will include an extra to your slime. If you have watched this far, then you are incredible. My link is down below. Duh, I'm so annoying, sorry. Okay, next up we have this slime is called Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cereal Milk. This was actually made with my friend Peter, so shout out to him, he's amazing. He had the idea to add gold glitter into the slime as it's representing how when you finish a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and there is those little pieces at the bottom, which is being the cinnamon, that's what the gold represents, and this slime is just so nice. Yes, it is over-activated, but it is so glossy, very, very thick. This is probably one of my most thick slimes I've ever had made in my life. It's very thick. You guys will love this slime. It's very holdable, I think. And, oh, the scent of it is, the actual scent is called champagne or something, like champagne glass, but the scent smells just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and, like, that whole situation. So, it is literally so good, and you guys have to check it out. I will have my shop down below for you guys. I really wish I almost included like a cinnamon roll charm on top, but if I should do that in next week's restock, comment down below and I will for sure order some cinnamon toast charms. Next up, we have this slime that I actually made like kind of a while ago, actually. This is I'm calling it like a carnival crunch. It smells just like candy and like all of the really good stuff you want to eat at carnivals that's really just not the best for you, and it smells so delicious. This is definitely more of like a firm, holdable cereal slime. I love the base of this. It's a little bit jiggly. I kind of can like tell that now as I'm washing this back. It's very jiggly, kind of. What am I saying? Jiggly, kind of. It's jiggly, period. Yeah, very nice slime. Love how it moves. I'm sorry for the 8 ounce. I didn't film a big batch before I put it away, but here's a little preview of it. And a slime I have from past restocks, I have this slime called Guac in Chips. This slime smells just like sea salt and citrus chips. It smells so good, and it's a very holdable slime. It's more like putty than it is slime. It does rip a little bit, but it's very holdable and it's so fun to play with. It's very stress relieving, and I only have a few of this left. I only have like 4 left. If you want this slime, buy it right now. It is so thick, so glossy. It's great. And then this last slime I have is like a candy, one of those like candy slimes again. So I have little, what do you call, packaging peanuts, and I have rainbow foam beads mixed into this, and it just smells so amazing. It smells like Fruity Pebbles and like sugar and cupcakes, like literally just all the amazing things. And of this one I only have like 10 to kind of like get rid of the last ones I have, but it is so nice. I love this slime literally so much. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for my restock. I will have my Shopify link down below for you guys to go buy from all of these slimes and all the slimes I just purchased, or just so you guys, I didn't purchase them, but you might. If you guys have not subscribed already, subscribe down below. Help me get to 900,000 on my channel. I would love to hit a new milestone, and I will also have my giveaway on my Slime by Jacklyne Instagram going on right now. all linked down below. Once again, the rules are subscribe to this channel, Nichole Jacklyne, and then go follow me on both of my Instagrams, at Nichole Jacklyne and at Slimebyjacklyne. Those are all linked down below for you guys, and I am giving bonus entries to those who do like spam both of my Instagram accounts on Slimebyjacklyne and Nichole Jacklyne. So if you want to spam those accounts, then step on right up, because I am accepting. What am I saying? I just stopped rambling. But yeah, guys, I'll see you with a new video very soon. And yeah, guys, bye!